Welcome to Jay's Techie Crown. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe. Come, let's get into the video.
You would have seen multiple videos on house tour, housing market, and how the house prices rise and drop. But in this video, we are going to discuss about how the houses are being constructed in USA. When we talk about the housing market, there are different types of homes like townhomes, condos, and single family homes. But in this video, we are going to discuss about single family homes. Here you can see different styles of single family homes like a ranch style, a 3-car garage with a single story houses and a 2-story houses with a basement. So there are different style of houses available in case of a new construction. They are like Georgetown, which is a ranch style, Stockton, which is a 2-story with basement, and you have Ivy with a double height ceiling. So there are multiple options when we go for new construction. Here you can see a single family home with a 3-car garage, basement, ground and first floor. What you see here is a mudroom which you can find at the entrance from the car garage. As you cross the mudroom, then you will find the kitchen. So you can find the Highland kitchen with dishwasher and the gas top. To the kitchen, you can see an unfinished deck. In case of new constructions, we will be given an unfinished deck to the yard. Once after buying, we have to proceed with the construction of the deck. Here is the living room with windows. Also on the side of the living room, you can see the options for entry to basement with steps and a pantry area. And to the back side of the kitchen, you can see an option for a laundry room. Here is a 3-car garage with 2 doors which is operated through remote, and you can see the outside view of the single family home. What you see here is an unfinished basement in any of the new constructions. So most of the new constructions comes with unfinished basements. In case if you want as an additional upgrade, you need to pay not to make sure you get a completed basement. Here you can see a construction of a new building. When I talk about construction of a new site, keep in mind that home building process may vary from region to region and builder to builder, especially if you are building an elaborate custom home. The homes you see here are 50% completed and work in progress. You can see some of the homes are finished. You can see deck here. So most of the homes are construction in progress. This is one of the ranch style home you can see. When I talk about construction in US, there are several steps involved in the process. The first step would be to prepare the construction site and then get the required approvals and permits and then start with the foundation. Once they start pouring foundation, then they complete a rough framing. Once they have the rough framing with the wooden planks, then they go ahead with rough plumbing and then they go ahead with installing the insulations. The next step would be to complete the drywall and interior fixtures and start exterior finishes. Then comes the interior trim, which includes the interior doors, baseboards, door casings, window sills and moldings. Also, we can see the final coat of paint applied. Next would be to install hard surface flooring and countertops and then complete the exterior grading. Then finish the mechanical trims and install bathroom fixtures. Then the last and final step would be to install mirrors and shower doors, finish flooring and then exterior landscaping with hydro seeding options. Then they will conduct a final walkthrough.
It's gonna be like an open space. You could put a bench here.
Okay, like a closet.
And then this is the closet right here.
Okay.
And then the laundry would be down here. So your washer and dryer in here.
Okay.
So that would be your main front door coming into your home. And then you've got the 2 bedrooms here. And then a bathroom right here. Vanity would be right here. There's a toilet and then your tub shower next to it. Pantry over in the corner. And then right here is going to be your refrigerator and then a little bit more counter space.
Oh, okay.
And then your dining area right there. It's going to have a 4x8 little platform deck and then it's going to have a deck.
Okay. Okay.
And then a bathroom connected to it.
Okay. This is one bedroom and a bathroom connected to it. And this is a walk-in closet?
Yes, that's the walk-in closet.
Oh, okay. And what about this one? Oh, it's our laundry.
That's the laundry.
Laundry for that set. Okay. Got it.
It's hard when you can right here. There would be a wall right here,
Okay.
and then you could do a bedroom right there. The bathroom would be right here,
Oh,
and then this space right here would actually be the closet for that bedroom.
okay.
And then you can also,
Okay. Okay.
and then all of this space would just be storage.
For utilities.
And then there's some more. So the way they have it set up right now is LVP will be coming in from like the front entryway.
Okay.
There's going to be some counter space. You've got your pantry. Wall right here will be where your oven and your like your cooktop and all of that stuff will be. And then there's going to be an island right here where the sink will be.
Okay.
And then your dining space over there.
So this is a master bedroom?
Yes.
Okay.
And then toilet would go right here.
Okay.
The closet. Bedrooms.
Okay.
This is going to be your bathroom up here.
There is a walk-in closet? Okay. And there is a closet for this bedroom.
And then the laundry is over there.